guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel 369. So the caption I have mentioned for tomorrow is bull charged for the expiry. So let's look how it is going to move tomorrow for weekly expiry, that is 9th December trade setup. So before that note done guys, our channel is only for educational purpose, so if you are trading please contact your finance advisor. Let me change my screen to Nifty chart. As expected, gap fill on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see how it's going to react. So now it is exact at the resistance which we have shared yesterday. Now 17,450, 480 was the resistance. It has reached exact at 483. That was a resistance. Now tomorrow if it open positive, we can expect it can easily touch the next resistance is 17,570. Note down, this is a resistance where it took a reversal. Okay, you need to be very careful at this resistance level 17,570. It's a very strong resistance for tomorrow. If it break, then we can see Nifty can reach the next level hitting this resistance, that not for tomorrow, coming days. So this is a very strong resistance. This is about the positive move. So if it open negative, open negative, you can consider this will be your support. 17,420. Okay, you can consider below this trend line 17,400. Below this, if it fails to hold this, then easily it can come down, fill this gap. Generally what happens, right, if it fails to hold this support, it will try to fill this gap. So the lower side what I am expecting is 17,200 and 300 for tomorrow if it fails to hold 17,400 levels. On the higher side 17,570, and if it break then you can see further upside on Nifty. That's about the Nifty chart analysis. Let's look at the Bank Nifty chart analysis. As expected, it has filled this gap and moving on the higher side. So this is a resistance 37,400, 500 is a resistance. Once it break this, right, then again we can expect it can easily touch 37,800 will be a first target, and if it break this then easily we can expect 38,000. For tomorrow what I am expecting is the first target is 37,600, 37,800. This will be the two target for tomorrow. On the lower side, if it open negative below 37,000, note down, if it open below 37,000, then we can expect it can again come back to 36,900, 800 level, filling this gap. So that is what I am expecting tomorrow on Bank Nifty, this low, okay, where it can fill this gap if it fails to hold this 37,000. Okay, so that's about the chart analysis. Let's look at the over data, what the over data says. Okay, let me change my screen to Nifty over data. Nifty over data, you can see here all these values are almost same. Okay, 17,300, 400, 500, all these are highly volatile at this range. Okay, once it break this 17,500, then only we can expect 17,600 for tomorrow. And even the chart says 17,570. So once it break this, then we can expect further upside. But the lower side we can see more volatility, 17,300, 400, 500. The movement will be more volatility tomorrow. Looking at the Bank Nifty over data, 37,000 a strong support here. If it fails to hold, then further downside 36,500, and open positive, then the next resistance is 37,500, 38,000 as per the over data. So that's about the OI data analysis. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Before that, this is our training program, guys. If you are really interested to learn technical and join our training program, you can contact me Hemant at 369. This is my contact number. This is the topic which you're going to cover. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Infosys. All IT stocks are showing positive, and even in the US market yesterday, we saw all the stocks were bouncing. And tomorrow, if it hold this 17,500, break this, okay, break this 17,000, sorry, 1,758. Once it break this resistance, right, the next resistance is 1,776. So that's about the Infosys. Next is Hero Motors. The price about 2,500. Once it break this resistance, right, then we can see 2,560. Next is 2,600 will be the next target. That's about the Hero Motors. Next is Prestige State. So it's trying to hit this resistance. Yesterday also it has moved the same level at this resistance 450, 56. Once it break this, right, then easily we can expect 470, 476. And also you can draw a trend line here. Then it easily touch this 470, 476. So that's about the here, and the support you can consider, you can draw a below trend line, you can consider it as a support. So next is Cipla. 900 as a strong resistance. It could not break today. So once it move above 900, right, then only we can see positive on Cipla. The first target is 420, 424, and the next is sorry 920, and the next is 940. Okay, that will be the target once it break this 900 levels. Okay, so that's about the Cipla. There was one query from user from let me check that IEX. So IEX Energy, Indian Energy. So that's 264 is a resistance here, small resistance. Okay, so it can still once it holds this right above this, easily we can expect 274 it will be a strong resistance. This is a minor one. So once it break this 274, 277 is the target for the next. And once it break, then we can say big move on IN, INEX. Okay, so that's about the analysis. Let's close this session. Thank you guys. Thanks Manju for your time. See you on the next video. Happy trading, guys. All these levels will be shared in our Telegram channel, Chart Traders 369. See you on the next video. Happy trading. Cheers. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.